Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach 7th standard maths 5th lesson lines and angle exercise 5.1. First question, find the complement of each of the following angles. We need to find complement angle. So complement means sum of measure of two angles is equal to 90 degree. The angles are complement. For example, sum of two angles sum of two angles equal to 90 degree. These angles are called complement. Okay, so they mentioned complement. It should be 90 degree. Okay, so here one angle they given 20 degree. So one more angle we need to find it. So we don't know. So we fix x. It should be 90 degree, no? X plus 20 equal to 90 degree. What is the value of x? 90 minus 20. So x equal to 70. Same like we need to find one more questions. They given 63 degree. Sum of two angles is 90 degree. It's a complementary angle. So one angle they given 63. So we need to find one more angle. See here, total angle we know 90 degree. Here one angle is given. If we know this angles, we can subtract this angle from the total value. We will find this angle. Okay, same like we will find these two questions. Complement angle 90. Given angle 63. 90 minus 63 27. So complement of another angle 27 degree. Same like complement angle we are going to find it. 90 is the sum of two angles 90 minus given angle 57. So the answer is 33. Or else we can find like this. X plus y equal to 90 degree. Sum of two angles equal to 90 degree. One angle they given. So x plus 57 equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 minus 57. X equal to 33. You can use this type. Same thing. It will be easy for you. Okay. Same thing. This is the complement. No. One more questions. Supplement. Okay, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Okay, supplement means supplementary angles is sum of two angle equal to 180 degree. Okay, they gave one angle. It is 105. We need to find one more angle. So supplementary angle is minus 80 degree minus given angle. So given angle how much? 105 degree. 180 minus 105, 75. This is the supplement of another angle. Same like we will find next sum. Next sum they give 87. So sum of two angles equal to 180 degree, no? So one angle they given 87 plus y equal to 180 degree. Y equal to 180 minus 87. So what is the value of y? 93. That's it. Same like we will find this question also. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. X value 154 plus y we don't know. We need to find this angle 180. Y equal to 180 minus 154. The answer is y equal to 26. That's it. Is it clear? Next question. Third question. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. We need to find which is complementary and which is supplementary. Already we know what is the statement of complementary. Sum of two angles. It means measure. Two angles 90 degree. It's a supplementary. Same sum of measure of two angle is 180 degree. It is a supplementary angle. So sum of means we need to add these two angle. Okay, 65 plus 115. Its total value is 180 degree. This is supplementary angle. Next one, 63 plus 27. This is 90. Total value is 90. So this is complementary angle. Third one, 112 degree plus 68 degree. We need to add these two angles because we need to find complementary or supplementary. So complementary statements, sum of two angles. We are going to add these two. 112 plus 68 is a 180. So this is also supplementary angle. 130 plus 50, 180. This is also supplementary angle. Same like 45 degree, 45 degree. This is 90 degree. This is also complementary angle. 80 degree plus 10 degree, total is 90 degrees. This is complementary angle. It's clear. Next one. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. We need to find the equal to its complement. Okay. Sum of complement means complementary angle. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. We don't know the two angles. So let's assume the two angles are x. Okay. X plus x equal to 90 degree. X plus x 2x 90 degree. Here multiplication. Multiplication 2 will come after equal. It will become a division. So 9 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10. So x value is 45. Same like, so x value 45 means x is a complement angle. So what is the complement? 45 degree. Same like we will find one more sum. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Supplement means 180 degree. Okay. So we don't know that two angles, no. So x plus x equal to 180 degree. X plus x 2x 180 degree. Here multiply, here it will come after equal, divide. So 180 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18. 0 will come. So x value 90. This is the complement angle. Next one. What is the next question? In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. They mention these two angles are supplementary. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Okay. Next point. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2? So that both the angles still remain supplementary. We will find it. What is the changes? If in case angle 1 is decreasing, no. If you decreasing angle 1, what is the difference will come? Angle 2. If in case you decreasing angle 1, it should be a 180 degree. No changes. But what is the changes will come in angle 2? It will increase. How many angles is decreasing? Same thing will add angle 2. For example, angle 1 is 90 degree. Okay. Angle 2 also 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree. If in case angle 1 is reducing, for example 88 degree. What is the answer will come? Angle 2. Here same thing 180 degree. So we add 2 here. Angle 2. How many values you in decreasing angle 1? Same thing you will add angle 2. So angle 1 is decreased. Angle 2 will be increased with the same measure as the decreasing in angle 1. Next question. 7th one. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute or obtuse or right? We need to find which two angles supplementary. Okay. Acute means less than 90 degree. We know that. Obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Right angle means equal to 90 degree. Okay. First one is no. Why? Because sum of two acute angles are not supplementary. Acute angle means less than 90. If you add less than 90 degree plus less than 90 degree value, no, it's not equal to 180 degree. Not equal because 180 degree is the supplementary. So its condition is not satisfied. Next one, obtuse. Obtuse also greater than 90. If in case you are adding two value greater than 90 value, no, it's also greater than 90. It's less than 90. It's a greater than 90 value will come. It's also not satisfying the statement of supplementary. So it's also no. Sum of two obtuse angles are not supplementary. Obtuse angle means greater than 90. Next one, right angle. Yes. Why? Right angle means 90 degree. Sum of two right angles supplementary angle. Because right angle means 90, no? 90 plus 90 equal to 180. It is supplementary. Next one. An angle is greater than 45. One angle they given greater than 45 degree. Okay. We know that we are assuming x. One angle is 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? They mention complementary. So complementary means two angles equal to 90 degree. One angle already we know it's greater than 45 degree. If in case greater than value will come here, it's not a complementary. Because already 45 degree we know. Above 45 degree we know. Okay. You subtract from 90. Only we have less than 45 degree value only it will come. How we need to find it? Is it a complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Okay, so we'll find it. One angle is greater than 45 degree. One angle is greater than 45 degree. We are assuming x greater than 45 degree. Sum of two angle is 90 degree. Sum of two angle means we don't know the two angle. No, we are assuming x plus y equal to 90 degree. So x plus y equal to 90 degree. I'm substitute the value here. X plus y greater than or equal to one angle they given. No, that's why 45 plus y. So sum of x plus y 90 greater than 45 plus y. Minus the 45 will come here. Minus 45 because here plus 45 after equation it will change. No, 90 minus 45 greater than y. 90 minus 45 answer 45. 45 greater than y. It means 45 greater than y means y value less than 45. It means, so what is the answer? Less than 45. Other angle less than 45 degree. Next question. Fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is already we know 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. Next, in the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angle. We need to find the angle. Okay. First one, obtuse vertically opposite angle. Already we know that the statement vertically opposite angle, no? We'll find it. First diagram we need to draw that because then only we can find it. Here E, the point is O, here C, here A. Obtuse vertically opposite angle. It means any two angles that are formed by two intersecting lines and which are not adjacent are called vertically opposites. See here, two lines are intersecting, four angles will formed. These angles are opposite, these angles are opposite. See here, COB and AOD. This also opposite, vertically opposite angle. Same like COA and BOD. These two are vertically opposite angle. We will find given diagram. Okay. See, first you take this two line. Okay, here B, D, A and C. Oh, this is O. Here formed angle, no? AOD angle, AOD and BOC. BOC. These two are vertically opposite angle. Okay. Next one. What is the question? Adjacent complementary angle. So adjacent and complementary. We need to find these two. Adjacent means What is the definition of adjacent? Adjacent means, see here, adjacent means only one common ray and only one vertex point here. Two angles have one vertex point and one common ray. It is the adjacent angle. Then complementary means it should be 90 degree. Okay. See, let's see here. Only this is the 90 degree. This is 90 degree and only one common ray. So take off of the diagram. Here E, B, A, O. Okay. So E, O, A and one more B, O, A. E, O, A and angle of BOA. These two angles are adjacent, complementary. Next question. What is the next question? Equal supplementary angle. Equal supplementary angles means it should be equal to 180 degree. We will find it. First we need to take this angle. Okay, because the straight line is 180 degree, no? If you take this line, it should be a straight line, it should be a 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So the value BOE and one more angle EOD, it's a 180 degree. So these two angles are equal supplementary. And next question, unequal supplementary angle. Now no need to equal, it's unequal but it's a supplementary. Okay, one more diagram. Unequal means it's not needed to equal, right? See here, A, O and C. This is E, this is vertical. Here less than 90 degree, here greater than 90 degree, but it should be 180 degree. The angle of EOA plus EOC, sorry, plus comma, these two angles are unequal supplementary angle. Is it clear? These two angles are not equal, unequal, but it's a less than 90 degree, it's a greater than 90 degree. So this is the unequal supplementary angle. Next one, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Adjacent angle. What are the adjacent angle? See here, AOB. This is adjacent angle of EOB. These two are adjacent angle. No, adjacent angle means only one common line and only one vertex. EOA and AOB. These two are adjacent angle. Same like AOE and EOD. These two are adjacent angle. Next one, EOD and COD. These two also adjacent angle. This is also linear pair. Okay. So all the sum we done that exercise 5.1. All the sum we done it. Next video exercise 5.2. Let's see next video.